guys, and welcome to this very new episode. Today we're going to be discussing about the OKX Racer, a game launched by the OKX exchange. Fantastic game it is. Fantastic game it is. But before we dive into the OKX Racer, guys, we're trying to hit the 10,000 subscriber mark. So guys, we really love it if you smash the subscribe button. So now, without further ado, let's dive into it. The OKX Racer has actually been a wonderful game over the last few months now. I think they announced it on their platform, on their X platform, about around July 22nd, if I am correct. And up till now, they've had a good numbers of people joining the OKX Racer. But for whatsoever reason, the game has not been as popular as the hamster game or the dogs or the Wat-Coin or many other games that are on that are on Telegram doing good numbers. But yeah, they are also doing good numbers, and we're going to check it out. Now, the game has a great UX, a great UI. I believe OKX have great guys working with them because even their exchange as well has fantastic UI and UX. So they have a couple of pages here, and they have great concepts regarding to the game as well. The concept is simple. You predict the amount of the price of Bitcoin. You predict the price of Bitcoin in the next 5 seconds. If you predict up and it goes up, you win a point. If you predict down and it goes down, you win a point. And if your prediction did not go as planned, then you get 0 points. They are not actually removing or deducting from the points from user points as much as I've played the game, because I've not played it as much. But so far, I have not noticed that. So let's play the game and see how it looks. And at the same time, you will hear the reason why they call it the OKX Racer. So I predict it will go up, and then I get a point. Okay, I predict it will go up, but I miss. But they didn't actually charge me for missing. So I win again. Okay, I want to know the precise amount I'm winning. I have 864 now. Let's predict going up. Okay, 864, that's 10 points. Now I have hit 74. So you get 10 points for each wins. And you get okay. So you won't get charged for missing any of these games. So that's quite interesting. That's interesting. Another very interesting thing here is the refuel. You have a full, that is the amount of time you can try the game. Out of 10 times, I've used 5. And I think you get each refuel you get at each minute, like 1 minute for each refuel. So that's quite simple. It's not cumbersome at all. You see, I had 5 before, now I have 6. Now in 1 minute 26 seconds, I will have 7. So that's how it works. So it's in about 10 minutes, you have a refuel of 10 times you can try the game. On the same page, they have a page for the leadership board, where you can see all the people that are already leading the OKX Racer. I think This is the top 100, and you can see that people already having about 274 274 million points. Wow. I'm not taking this serious at all, guys. Okay. On the tax page, they have series of tasks for you to earn points. You can also reload your fuel tank. You can boost that, and then it will fill up automatically. You see, now I have 10 again. So if I use up the 10, if I use up the 10 times I can try the game, if I go back to the task page and reload the fuel tank, it will refuel, and then I'll have 10 again. So I still have one left, a free boost actually. I still have one left. And then they have a couple of other tasks here, like some other partners that Okex is working with, like the Cartesian. So if you join, okay, you join OKX and Carti price, then you can also get 2,000 points for that. I already joined Cartesian. I joined Cartesian, and I have about 1,000 points. I subscribe to their channel. I go to 1,000 points as well. So there are many other tasks here with kind of partnership tasks. This is a ton one, mint ton society account. If I mint, then I get 1,000 points. So, series of activities there that you can be part of and earn points. They also have the racer tasks. This will ask you to connect your Telegram account using the connected account option in the user center on the Okex app. Okay, that's more like connecting your Okex to your official Okex account to this Okex Razer mini app. So that's as good as that. Then they have daily reward that rewards you with 500 points. If you follow them on Twitter, you get 750 points. If you join their Telegram page, the announcement channel, you get 750 points as well. So that's that about the task page. There is this unlock that I can't get my hands on. Auto driving. Okay. Link your Telegram to Okex account and pass identity verification on Okex to unlock auto driving. This lets you automatically play the game while you are away. So you're always earning points. So this will allow you automatically play the game when you are away. So that's a good one. I will also try connecting my OKX account and see if that will work for me because there is a lot of caveat around this. So another page is the invite friends page where you see all the friends you've invited. So again, guys, if you've not joined the OKX Racer, go into the description. You'll see the link to join the OKX Racer. Use my link to join and let's be on the same community. And then the last page is the surprises page where you verify your identity to certify your racing license. So to certify, I think you'll have to connect. You sign up with OKX account, connect your Telegram, verify your identity. If you already have an OKX account, you connect your OKX account to this game, and that will certify your identity, and then you will become licensed. Then they have a couple of other activities here, like claim your share of 80 million hamster, and different ways for you to earn points or join a particular campaign. So I think those are the pages they have. And it's quite interesting, okay? So a lot of people have been sending messages that they can't be part of the OKX Racer. And that's particularly because OKX is probably banned in that location. And that's fine. That's okay. You can still join the OKX Racer. And how can you join the OKX Racer? All you need to do is to download a VPN that is working to join the OKX Racer because obviously not all VPN are going to work for this. I'm currently using the Windscribe. So this is not an advert for Windscribe, neither am I in affiliation with Windscribe. This is just a tool that has been working for people, right? So you download the Windscribe and then select France as your location and Paris. So, switch the windscribe on, and then you'll have access to the OKX racer. Now, if you are not in a location where OKX is verified, you might have problem connecting your OKX wallet to the OKX racer, and that might raise a couple of concern about if you will be rewarded at all. Well, no one knows that for now. I know OKX as well have a DEX wallet on their exchange, the Web3 wallet. So I'm hoping they will allow people connect that. I think that should be the right way to go about this, because I keep saying that OKX and Binance should not just let go of the communities that have been loyal to them over the years, just because they have one or two problems with their government. So they should find a way to allow these people connect their DEX wallets to their mini Telegram mini games, mini app games, so that they can also be part of that particular campaign, that particular game, and also earn a reward for it. Blockchain is all about fair play or fair financial reward. So we should play by the rules, right? I think they should find a way around that. So aside from that, that's it. That's it about the whole game. It's very simple. It's either you click on the moon or the dome. The moon means you predict that the Bitcoin price is going up, while the dome means you predict that the Bitcoin price is going down. And then if you're in this space and you are a trader, you're familiar with this assumption, right? So it's straightforward. Let's check their Telegram page and see if they've been talking about the OKX Razor. Guys, if you're not following me on Telegram, guys, follow me on X rather. If you're not following me on Twitter, follow me. Boba Feet. At Boba Feet is the name. I will add the link in the description as well. So guys, follow me, engage with me, and let's discuss what's happening in the space. So I'm going to search for OKX Razor. I'm already following them. So yeah, this is the page. Let's search for it. OKX Razor. Let's see what they're talking about regarding. Yeah, exactly. They did the announcement on the 22nd of July for the OKX Razor, the official announcement. But there have not been much said about the game. I don't know why that is. I think they've not marketed this as much as they should have for whatsoever reason. And I think the OKX marketing team should do much more about marketing this game. While they have huge number of community already, I mean, they have huge number of community already on Telegram, on X, formerly known as Twitter. But at the same time, I think they should do much more. They should do much more. Sincerely, they should do much more. They should do much more. I want to check the OKX Telegram to confirm, but I don't think they even created a specific Telegram page for the OKX racer. So I think they should do much more for marketing this project. It's quite an interesting game. I enjoy playing these, although I've not spent enough time on these, but I will find time to do that. And then, according to the rule, let's talk about the reward OKEx are going to distribute for this game. I don't think they are going to create a new token. I think they are going to reward people with their existing token, because I don't think it's sensible to create a token for the OKX Razor. But if they create a token for it, and that will be majorly a meme token. I think it's the same thing for Binance as well. I don't think they are going to create a new token. They will probably reward people with BNB. Or if they create a token for it, then we can assume that that's going to be another meme token that Binance and OKX actually front rolling. The jury is still out on that, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this. But I personally do not think they should create a new token for this. I think they should just distribute an existing token that already has a valuation, that has a huge market cap already and is existing. So that will make it a more robust reward for the community. But like I said, the jury is still out on that. They will tell us what the plan is when they are ready to do that. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Should they create a new token for OKX Racer, or should they stick with their existing token as reward for this game? That's that about Okex Racer game. Big up yourself, guys. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Join our community on Telegram. The link is in the description below. And there is a link to all other games that I'm part of on the Telegram. You should go into the description right now, click those links, and join those games. If you have not seen the video we did on the Binance MoonBix, it is attached right now at the top. Click that link, go watch the video, review it, join the Binance MoonBix as well. I think these two massive exchanges coming together and also creating their own Telegram mini app game is quite a massive validation for these games, and also is a very massive gain for the Ton network. I'm still going to discuss much more about that in another video. So big up yourself, guys. I will be seeing you in the next episode.